The weather is so cold right now, and it's that time of the year again. All I want to do is just watch a movie, lie in bed, all lazy and relax. But first, let me top it all with a snack. French fries with a twist? Yes, it's honey chili garlic fries. Now let's go and enjoy the recipe. Wait. If you found the video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe to Uttara Home Kitchen for a lot more new recipes. And also, don't forget to leave a suggestion below in the comment section. And I hope it will be helpful. Now, let's go. Here I took 3 medium size of potato and just peeled it off. I will chop it like french fries, but you can just chop it however you want. And here you can see I made little thicker than the fries and immediately put it into water. As you know, it will get little dirty or the color will get blackish, right? So just to avoid that, we need to put it in water. Now wash the potatoes very nicely in normal water for 2 to 3 times. And now you can see the potatoes are washed very nicely. Keep it aside. Then boil some water and add salt to taste or 1 tablespoon of salt. And once the salt get dissolves in the water, add the washed potatoes. Then boil it for 80 to 90% on high flame and it will not take much time. It will take just 7 to 10 minutes and after that just check the potatoes are 80 to 90% boiled as you can see here and don't overboil it or else it will break in the next process. Now turn off the flame and strain the water then keep it aside. Next, in a mixing bowl, add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of rice flour. It's easily available in the market, or also you can just grind some regular rice you use and add it to the bowl. Then add 3 to 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Here I'm just grating it, and you can also use 1 teaspoon of garlic flakes instead of it. It's easily available in the market. Then add half tablespoon of red chili flakes to get a little spicy flavor in it. But red chili flakes is optional. Then add little bit of salt as we already added enough salt while boiling it. Give it a good mix and now we'll do double coating so that the fries should be little extra crispy. For the first coating, add the boiled potatoes in the dry mix and coat it well as I'm showing here. And if you follow this process, then the potatoes will not break. Now you can see the potatoes are nicely coated. Now take it out in a plate and keep it aside. And now we will prepare the batter for the second coating. Now in the same bowl add 1.5 tablespoon of rice flour and 4 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida. You can also use corn flour instead of rice flour, but I prefer to add rice flour for the better result. Now add water little by little and make a semi-thick batter. Use water according to need and here I have used half cup of water. Now the batter is ready as you can see here and I will also show you with a spoon. The batter should be like this. Adjust the consistency by adding water if you feel the batter is thick and if you feel it's very thin then add little bit of maida in it. And the batter is all ready. Now heat a good amount of oil and then take the batter near the pan and add some of the fries in it. Then immediately coat it with the batter and add it to the oil. The oil should be very hot. Then follow the same process and add few other fries. But remember, don't add all the fries at a time in the batter or else the potatoes will start to break. Now fry it on low flame for some time. Spread the oil as I'm showing here and be very careful at this moment. Then after 4 to 5 minutes, flip the fries and you can see the fries are stick to each other. Just separate it and it's very easy to do as you can see here. Now it's almost 5 to 7 minutes and then fry on high flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Now after 4 to 5 minutes, the potatoes are nicely fried and the color has also changed into nice and golden brown. So now take it out and follow the same process and fry the rest of the fries. Now all the fries are ready and here you go. It's very crispy because of the double coating and you can see it is perfectly fried from outside and the potatoes are perfectly boiled. Also you can serve the fries with a dip as a starter but here I will just make it little more tempting. So for that in a bowl take 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, half tablespoon of red chili sauce, half teaspoon of soya sauce. I have used dark soya sauce. Half teaspoon of vinegar or instead of vinegar you can also use lime juice. Little bit of MSG but it's completely optional. and 1.5 tablespoon of sugar because the dish will be a little sweetish. So for that I'm adding sugar in it. Then add little bit of water, mix it well and keep it aside. But yeah, don't add extra sauce or sugar because sometimes we think no, if we add extra sugar or sauce then it will be more tasty. But if you add extra you will spoil it. Now heat up a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I have used the same oil I fried the fries. And then add 6 to 7 finely chopped garlic. I have just grated it. Now saute for a minute on high flame and then add sesame seed. I have added half tablespoon of it, though it's optional, but if you have it at home then don't forget to add a little bit of it. Now again saute for a minute on high flame and then add the sauce mix which we prepared earlier. Now mix it immediately and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on high flame and then add 1/3 cup of water to the bowl and add it to the pan. Now cook on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes or until you get the sticky consistency like this as you can see here. And it's time to add the fries in it. I'm adding it in a slow motion and then cook it on high flame for 4 to 5 minutes. And also mix the fries very nicely with the sauce. After 4 to 5 minutes, you can see it has dried out and the consistency will be like this. At that moment, add 2 tablespoons of honey. Again, I am saying don't add extra honey, sauce or sugar in it because if you add extra honey or extra sugar, it will be very sweetish and you will spoil the taste. You won't like it. Now mix it immediately and cook for a minute on a high flame and then add little bit of chopped spring onion though it's optional. Mix it well, turn off the flame and here the honey chili garlic fries are ready to serve. You can serve it as starter or evening snacks. But yeah, I'm going to watch a movie with this. Do try this out. I hope you will like it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Uttara Home Kitchen and also leave a suggestion below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.